Hello everyone, welcome to Frog Tech Tips. Welcome on my 10 Gen Honda Civic. And if you got this radar error over here on your dashboard, that's probably because it's outside, it's snowing, and you got a slash on the radar on the front. How to fix it is really easy. You just go outside and clean it. Do you wanna see that? Let's go to do it. That means just put the brake out. I just want to show you. I will be actually switch off the engine that you need to do. Go outside. And that's the reason. That's the main reason. You need to clean this. And once you clean it, you just can go in. Switch on the engine. And should be gone, or maybe just need to clean more. There you go. It's disappeared. It's not there anymore. And yeah, hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe for more tips like this for your Honda 10 Gen or whatever, Honda or whatever. Just click like, subscribe, and don't forget it's Christmas time and snowing. Yes, snowing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.